Hi, Charles here. Well, we've been home. This is Friday. We've been home since Monday, and Susie's been hard at work on making an enclosure for the microwave and doing a few other small things, little modifications. Thanks for watching. So I always say in this short video, and it's not always short, but I'll try. You hear Susie sanding. I'll bring you over there in a second. She's working on her latest thing of beauty. A friend of ours, he saw it on Facebook and said she's a woodworking goddess. Oh, she didn't like that. In this video, we'll be showing you what we did with the bed platforms. Unbelievable change. It'll make us very happy. And then getting the microwave up on the cabinet there secure so I won't get beheaded. And I'm not sure if there'll be anything else in this video, just those two little updates. Do you think you have anything else you'll be throwing in on this one?
We were, to get the microwave out is that cabinet with two doors.
Oh.
But the doors didn't open all the way.
Because it's tight.
And you had to get scrunched down in there and lift. It was heavy and had to be in the back so you could put things in the front. Anyway.
And you had to unload the cabinet.
It was heavy. It was you had to take everything out the bottom shelf to get it out and then put it up there. Pain.
So what we're doing is just getting rid of the annoying things.
Yes.
Wait.
Rude.
No, I thought you was going to say me. Anyway, so that's kind of what we're going to be doing. Your sanding sometimes rubs me the wrong way.
Okay, so we did find that the piano hinges were very annoying because there was so little room and the mattress didn't have room to stand up behind
Amen.
it.
Preach it.
It was pushing weight down, and so while all that weight was pushing down, you're holding it with your arm trying to get stuff with one hand. So Charles had a great idea. He said, how about we take the hinges off and we just leave them loose? And I was like, yeah. So I made these to hold them in their spot. They're heavy enough. They're going to stay there when you're traveling. The only time they're going to flying up is if you get head on by a semi.
Right.
And then it won't matter.
Won't matter. They can't see, but there's these dots that...
Yeah, we have little felt dots, little felt pieces to keep it
from rattling.
Also, when you're laying on it, the paint kind of sticks to itself.
Yeah.
You're rolling over and it creaks if you don't have that. But we find it's very handy. Then when I also I gave more room for the mattress so the mattress can stand up by itself. You can push this over, or you can push this and lean it up against the mattress. Yeah. And just, you have both hands, you can get what you want, you have plenty of room, and you get out.
So that is a huge modification that will make us much happier.
We think it's good. I can't wait to get back on the road again. We think that's going to be great.
Right.
We might be wrong.
We should write a song like that.
But this is what I always do. I do something and a year later I'm like, I'm going to
refine it. Yeah. Okay. And even though the camera isn't pointing to it, what did I just do to your beautiful countertop?
He put a hole in my beautiful countertop for the cord to the microwave. That's going to be something you'll see in a bit.
Yeah. While Susie is over there sanding, here's the hole. And fortunately, we had a hole saw that's just the exact size to get the cord down through. So I'm not defacing it, and no one will see it. Well, you let it sit overnight. What's the verdict?
It's not a perfect 90 degree
Oh, no, I'm sorry. We'll have to throw it away. We're going to trash it.
More like 87 degrees.
Oh, no. I think it's more 87.44921, but...
It'll probably work.
Yeah.
I just got to hold this for 30 minutes.
Oh, well, I'm going to go have my coffee. Have fun. Bye.
Beautiful creation. We can't decide if it was my idea or Charles' idea for the plexiglass, so we're just going to go 50-50.
Yeah, there we go.
But I got the first coat of polyurethane on there. I'm going to sand it, put the second coat on, and then I'm not having a back, I'm not having a base. I'm just going to set it in there and put it in with little metal L braces, corner braces.
And show how the plexiglass works. There we go.
Yeah, there.
Yeah.
It's a little tight, but better to be tight than loose.
Right.
Flopping around.
And so the microwave basically, though, will be sitting in the box.
Yes.
it's not really attached per se.
No. But it's not going anywhere.
Right.
And it's heavy enough, and it's, I'll put the...
This is her favorite thing.
The non-skid cabinet, shelf paper, whatever you call it. Not paper.
Right.
And it keeps things from moving.
And so we just bought a smaller board than the same wood, but just a smaller board for you to put this together.
Oh, yeah. It was called laminate. Something
yeah,
laminate.
Yeah, it's what they at Home Depot. And my question is, are you going to route the edge on the top? Did you think about that?
I'm not, because then, in my mind, you put things in and they'll fall off.
They'll just roll off somehow.
But no, I just wanted
It's
that,
a shelf.
I wanted that 1/4 inch
There we
space.
go, yeah. But the front looks really good. I like that.
Thanks.
Yeah, and then she put ventilation holes in over there.
Yeah, the holes, he doesn't like the holes. They're not that attractive, but they work.
They work.
They're not going to show from that side.
And that's where the microwave vents out, obviously.
Yeah.
Okay.
They're not going to show that, but
Nah.
you're always going to have stuff there.
And only not nice people would point it out and say something.
That's right.
All right. So really nice. Good job.
Thanks.
In a little while, you'll get more polyurethane, and we'll get that installed before the day's over because we're going tomorrow for a 2-day trip.
I can sand it now.
There we go. All right.
Lightly sanding with the grain.
Lessons from Susie.
And it has character.
It
There's
does.
a knot, and there's a knot.
Yeah. All righty.
You knothead. Just kidding.
Oh, you're so clever. Well, I've decided to put in a vent. I keep my Delta in here, my Ecoflow Delta, and when I'm charging it, when we're on shore power, it really revs up. It's putting out some heat, and so, and even if I'm not charging it, but I'm running it, maybe with, I have it plugged in to run the regular outlets, house outlets. I think it's a good idea for it to vent. I saw someone on a Van Build video. They had a little trouble with their Delta, and I think it might have been because it was in too close of a space. So this is, but it's open all the way through here, so there is air movement, but they do get full of stuff. So I thought it wouldn't hurt to have this on there, so I'm going to cut a hole. There are 2 supports right here, so I'll cut them out first, and then cut this hole, and this will fit right in there. And they come with really long screws. This is for a register wall in a house, so I'll get smaller screws, put in there, and I think that'll do the job, and it'll look nice too. So after wisely checking with my technical advisor, she did not want me to cut out the supports in here. They have the pocket screws coming in here, so we're just going to cut a hole here, a square here, and a square here between the supports, and that'll still give us plenty of air with a vent sitting over it. Definitely more than nothing. See if I can do this without bleeding. Aha! There we go. Susie's pinning some screws for me, and she just gave me an okay, so I guess I did okay. Alright. I'm not putting one of these on her box.
Sir, don't forget the blue tape.
No, I thought I'd leave the tape there, ma'am. I never would have thought of that one. Well, there is the vent installed. Susie's back there working on the shower curtain, putting the hooks up. And I held the shower curtain up. She's cutting it off and then trimming it and hemming it. So, you all comfortable there now? Anyway, so this turned out nice. And that's all I have to say about that. Okay, so Susie's got the Explorer Outfitter shower hanging up there. She's got 2 hooks. We're going to see if we can get by with 2 instead of having one that'll be more out. And
it's really nice. These are just rods that are straight. I might make this rod bend though.
Okay.
Over time.
Well, we'll see. Well, we're not like the hipsters who would actually be in there taking a shower, so. Okay, I think that's going to work out real well.
It's. I need to hem it a little.
Yeah.
It's got a soap dish thing in here.
Okay.
Or shampoo or whatever.
All right. So that's going to work, isn't it?
It's going to work nicely.
Yeah.
We got these little hooks up here, so to take it down, all we have to do is
zip it up.
Well, we would probably
take it outside and shake it out.
Yeah. You could even drive with it and let it dry, and once it's dry, you
pulls up. Yeah. Good job, Susie. Good job, Explorer Outfitters. So Susie put this edge around because it wasn't lining up exactly the way she wanted. The handle was too close to the plexiglass, so she added these strips around, and so they're right now wet from polyurethane. So we're going to wait till morning, and she'll get that all installed.
Can't believe I didn't think of that.
Yeah. And we got places we need to touch up, but that's the way it's going to be for a little bit. It is a thing of beauty, as I've said before. Well, Susie finished the box. It's up there, and I'll show you a couple of pictures as I'm winding this up. And we are headed over to Illinois to see some friends and relatives, and then we're going to be back in a day or two. And it's just too big of a rush for her to get that all mounted, and I didn't want her to be in a rush and then do something she's unhappy with later. So you decided to wait, didn't you?
Yeah.
There's no rush.
Rushing causes
every time
disasters.
But she did. Want to bring it out here? So tell them what you did, and we'll finish this up.
Tell them all of the mistakes.
No. Just turn it around. Show them what you did in the back.
It was too short.
Yeah.
So I added a strip of wood all the way around the back.
And it looks like she planned it a nice turn piece.
It actually adds a little.
It does.
Class.
It finishes it off. So she did good. And our friends that we're going to see can see it because we videotape everything. And I see you did add the other 2 screws into the wall there.
Yes, I did.
And this fits, and she still can keep her paper towel thing, so it's going to work out great. My little buddy did good. And thanks for watching.